Hello friends, and welcome to this course where we will jump straight into realization of networking technologies, primarily focusing on CISCO products. I might also add in other vendors' equipments to make it multi-vendor networking course. I have already got one course on Juniper, which is an excellent introduction to Juniper networks, but that is more focused on Gen CIA certification. Now, as far as basic networking concepts are concerned, you really do not need much hardware for that. Like for CCNA certification level knowledge, a couple of switches and routers are more than enough to get you through. But when you are talking about large networks exceeding 5 networking devices, then definitely not everyone likes to buy them all. Besides the purchasing cost, even if you are going for used ones, the noise and heat from them all would be enough to make you sweat in your pants. And by the end of the month, the electricity bill would be enough to make you visit ICU. For that, we can emulate the devices using different programs available in the market. Now, you must be familiar of GNS3, routing switching emulator program, freely available from gns3.com, which works using Dynamips engine to emulate the actual iOS images of CISCO. Its later versions do provide integration with VirtualBox based virtual machines, and you can also use it for QEMU based virtualization. I tell you, it's a great piece of software and I highly recommend it to you in order to help you implement concepts. However, there are many aspects where GNS3 alone is not enough. For example, GNS3 cannot emulate Cisco switches, so you cannot really implement VLANs, STP, Ether channel based layer 2 network scenarios. Since GNS3 is based on Dynamips, it consumes heavy CPU, and although you can tweak CPU throttling, but sometimes it just does not help. Moreover, GNS3 is focused primarily towards Cisco with additional support for Juniper products as well, but there are many more networking products from other vendors which are widely used in enterprise environments like Alcatel, Extreme Networks, Palo Alto, Palo Alto, or even Checkpoint. Now, Cisco has this product known as IOU or IOL, which stands for iOS on Unix or iOS on Linux. These are iOS images built with native Unix support, so you can execute them straight from the command line. They are fast to execute and consume very less CPU cycles. There was a product known as IOU Web, which provided a nice graphical web interface to connect these IOU routers, which now has been replaced with UNL. So you cannot really find this product IOU Web anymore. Its developer has changed it to UNL or Unified Networking Lab, which is essentially a virtual machine that you can use to emulate multi-vendors environments on Linux as well as on Windows. In the upcoming videos, I'll show you how you can use these products, so stick around and I'll see you in there.